Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix if you're having network issue on your PSP console. It's very simple. So what you need to do is, for example, mine is not detecting. So okay, set up internet connections. So if you're using Wi-Fi, and then you need to choose the existing one, and if you don't want, right, you can delete the existing one by pressing options and choose forget and give OK. That's it, friends. Now, even right, if your existing connection is not working properly, you can choose options and then go to, choose forget, okay, and automatically it will be disconnected. So here it's my internet connections here actually. So its name is Wiki, okay. So here I am going to give the password. So give the password and then give OK. Super cool. So it's successfully connected. So also you can check your connection speed. So download and upload. Connection status, test internet connections. So my connection speed of download is 142 and it's checking for upload. So it's 103. It's super cool, right? So fine, friends. So now I'm going to update the system software. And if you want, you can update it, update later. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback from your forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.